Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Proton VPN on Windows for privacy on US networks. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Proton VPN website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the option for Windows. Once redirected, click the download button to start downloading the installation file. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. When prompted by the user account control, click Yes to allow the application to make changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may choose the installation location or proceed with the default by clicking Next. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, launch Proton VPN from your Start menu. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Follow the registration process, providing the necessary information. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, you will be greeted by the Proton VPN dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface and settings. To connect to a VPN server, click on the Quick Connect button. For additional servers, click on the Server List option. Select a server based on your desired location or speed. Once you find a suitable server, click on it to initiate the connection. Wait for the connection to establish, indicated by a change in status on the dashboard. You are now securely connected to Proton VPN. To disconnect, simply click the Disconnect button on the dashboard. Explore additional features, such as split tunneling or secure core, in the Settings menu. Regularly update the app to ensure optimal performance and security. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and connected to Proton VPN on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.